Welcome to Hogwarts School for Witches and Wizards, third year potions experiment. You will need an adult helper today, so you need a red cabbage and a knife to chop it up with. You need a saucepan of water, some clear plastic cups or glasses would be just as good, and then some clear liquids. Now I've gone into my cupboards and I've found tonic water, vinegar, lemonade, salt you can put into water to make a clear liquid, sugar you can put into water to make a clear liquid, you can put some soap into water, and lastly, if you've got any fruit, you can squeeze that into water. Start by chopping your cabbage in two, and you'll only need 1/2 of your cabbage. You're then going to chop it into small pieces. Once you've chopped it into small pieces, put the small pieces into your saucepan of water. Now you're going to put this saucepan onto the cooker and you're going to heat the liquid up, and when you have got it simmering you can then stop cooking it. So when your liquid is simmering, what you'll start to notice is that the liquid is blue. Now that's the bit that we want. So what you can do now is to switch off your cooker and to leave this to cool. When your liquid has cooled down, you'll be able to see that it's a nice blue colour. To make this a fair test, I've put a little mark in the same place on each cup, and that's where I'm going to fill my vinegar, tonic water and normal water to. So I pour in my vinegar, and I want to make sure that it goes right up to the line. Then I'm going to add 50 millilitres of my cabbage water to it. Now you could just use 1/4 of a cup, something like that, as long as it's the same amount each time. Watch carefully. Now you can see that the cabbage water has turned pink with vinegar. The next one that I'm going to test is Indian tonic water. So again, I have put the liquid up to the mark. I've taken my 50 millilitres of indicator liquid, and again it has turned pink. This is soap and water. This is sparkling water. Now again, if you compare it to the vinegar, it's definitely a different colour. This is normal tap water. So you can see that it is a different colour again to the purple and to the more pinky colour. So 3 different colours here. This is water with salt dissolved in it. And if we compare it to just our normal water, it's a slightly darker blue than the normal water. Apple and elderflower sparkling water. This is another cleaning product, one that you'll not be able to use. Oh, now that has definitely gone a different colour. That is yellow. So we can see all the different colours that you get from using cabbage water. So red cabbage water is what we call an indicator. It tells you whether a liquid is an acid or an alkali or in between, which is neutral. So if a liquid is an acid, it will go pink, red. If it's neutral, it will go blue. And if it's an alkali, it will go dark green or yellow. So which of the liquids that I tested were acids and which were alkalis, and were there any that were neutral? Then try out some of your own liquids at home.